In this video, we're going over how to unlock your iPhone 11 Pro Max so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you want to do is go to your phone app and make sure you're on the keypad and type in *#06#. That's going to show you your IMEI. Make sure you write down that first IMEI. You're going to need that later on in the process. We're going to swipe up and now go to Safari. Now you're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and you're going to fill out a few prompts. The first thing you want to do is select the manufacturer, which is Apple. Next, the model, which is going to be the 11 Pro Max. Click Unlock Now. Next, you'll fill out a few more questions here. So the country you purchased the phone in and the carrier, AT&T. Click Next again. Here you will enter the IMEI that you got in the first step of the video, your full name, the email address you want the instructions delivered to, and your phone number. Swipe down a little further here, you will see the cost, the average price to unlock the phone, your discount, and what you're going to pay today, and the average turnaround time for the delivery email. Now, this tends to come through a lot quicker, but they usually give you just a 2-week time frame, but in our experience, 1 to 3 days you will get a response with the final instructions. From here, you're going to click Order Now. You're going to check out with a credit card or PayPal and wait to get your email with the final unlock instructions. Once you get that email, you're going to need to pop out the SIM card and put in the new SIM card of the service you're trying to use the phone with. Use the little SIM tool that you'll find in the box of the phone. And on the right side, you're just going to pop out the SIM card, take it out, and again, put in the new SIM card of the carrier you're trying to use, and you're going to restart the phone by just holding down on the power button. Turn it off, turn it back on again, and it should read the new SIM. Follow the final instructions in that email, and you'll be all set. If you do run into any problems, go back to that website, theunlockingcompany.com. You will see a live support chat option where you can talk to someone via the web, or there is a direct phone number you can use at the top here and an email address as well. Great thing about this website is it's a reputable company. You can easily connect to someone to get help, and in the event you're not able to get your phone unlocked, they do have a 100% money back guarantee, so either way you are covered. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.